Some researchers believe that certain cloud formations could actually hint at seismic activity beneath our feet. Let's dive into this fascinating connection. First, let's talk about the science behind it. Clouds form when warm, moist air rises and cools, leading to condensation. But when it comes to earthquakes, the ground itself can influence the atmosphere. As tectonic plates shift and stress builds up, they can release gases and heat, which may affect local weather patterns. This interaction can create specific cloud types that some scientists are now studying as potential indicators of impending earthquakes. One cloud type that has garnered attention is the lenticular cloud. These lens-shaped formations often appear over mountains and can signal turbulent air. Interestingly, there have been reports of these clouds appearing before significant seismic events. In 1976, for example, a series of lenticular clouds were observed over Tangshan, China, just days before a devastating earthquake struck, killing hundreds of thousands. This has led some to wonder if we can learn to read the sky for signs of danger. Another intriguing phenomenon is the appearance of what are known as earthquake lights. These are unusual luminous displays that some witnesses claim to see before an earthquake. While not directly related to cloud formations, they highlight the mysterious relationship between atmospheric changes and seismic activity. The science behind these lights is still being explored, but they add another layer to our understanding of how the Earth communicates with us. However, it's essential to approach this topic with caution. While these connections are intriguing, the science of predicting earthquakes is still in its infancy. The atmosphere is incredibly complex and many factors influence cloud formation. Just because we see a particular cloud type doesn't mean an earthquake is imminent. In fact, many scientists argue that relying solely on cloud observations could lead to false alarms and unnecessary panic. Historical examples show us that while there may be correlations, they are not consistent enough to form a reliable prediction model. The unpredictability of earthquakes is one of the reasons they remain so challenging to forecast. We can't ignore the fact that nature is full of surprises, and while we may find patterns, they don't always hold true. So, what can we take away from this? While the connection between cloud formations and earthquakes is a captivating area of study, it's crucial to maintain a balanced perspective. Observing the sky can be a fascinating hobby, and it might even help us appreciate the beauty of nature's complexity. But when it comes to predicting seismic events, we must rely on a broader range of scientific data and research. In the end, the sky may hold secrets that we are only beginning to understand. As we continue to explore the relationship between weather and earthquakes, who knows what other mysteries we might uncover. For now, let's keep looking up and marveling at the clouds, while also respecting the power of the earth beneath us.